Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Juan Sebastian Ferron, and I will present our paper with the title of Intelligence Tutorial System for Learning Culture and Local Languages in Indonesia. Okay, so Indonesia, our country, is an archipelagic country with a land area of 1.91 million kilometers square and an ocean area of 6.32 million kilometers square with a coastline of 81,000 kilometer. So our country is a country that has the most islands in Southeast Asia and with the most population uh, based on a survey in 2020. Our country has also several ethnic groups, reaching 1,340 and having 700 regional languages. That's why there are so many local languages in our country because our country is very diverse. It has a diversity of cultures spread across the islands, from Sumatra to Papua, from Sabang to Merauke. And our government includes lesson on Indonesian culture, both nationally and locally, because the diversity and is very fast in our country. And since elementary school, uh, the subjects given to students are regional culture arts and national culture arts. Uh, it should be different in each province, but every school learns national culture arts such as tribal names, traditional foods, clothes, traditional weapons, houses, songs, and instruments. Our people need to be able to recognize the cultural diversity of our nation as the form of citizens' love for their country and nation. So instead, we made an intelligence tutorial system. So an intelligence tutorial system is a computer design system that provides instructions, guidance, information, knowledge, and training skills to students without involving any human tutors or teachers. So intelligence tutorial system has two-way teaching model where every student involved in ITS required to study the topics in it actively. Uh, it can be used with multiple choice questions or essays or fill in the blanks so we can measure a person's ability to study the material and their ability to understand the material from answering questions like essays or multiple choices. Based on the right teaching strategy, uh, someone who uses ITS should be able to increase his knowledge, which is serious about studying the content of the lesson delivered. Okay, so this is our use case diagram. So our local disk system has two uh, actors, which are user and tutor. So our user can register and log in their account to access uh, courses and features in our system. They can also take course, including uh, answering quizzes, giving feedback to the course, and give rating to the course. You can also use local language dictionary and learn new languages. So in our dictionary has two languages, uh, which are Balinese and Javanese. We also have a forum chat to ask and answer question, to share with another user what we think or learn something new through the forum chat. For tutor can upload courses and upload quizzes for user to answer and measure their knowledge in a certain local language. Okay, for our class diagram, we have user. So a user has a username, gender, email, date of birth, password, total score, and phone. And they can make a thread and they can reply a thread. And a thread has its ID, date, and the content. And while the reply uh, consists of ID, date, and reply, because we can reply a thread, and a thread uh, can have replies or no replies at all. Uh, for courses, we have a course name and its level. Each course can have one or many levels, at least one, uh, and each level can have many quizzes. Uh, our quiz consists of option A, the question or and the ID, uh, option A, option B, C, and D, and the answer. For the answer, uh, it derived from the quiz ID, so uh, we can check which quiz has which answer, and there is answer score for each quiz answered correctly. And we have trans. Trans is a utility table for storing uh, when we take the quiz and the total score that we acquire. And we have feedback to give feedback to the course and the date where when we give the feedback. We can give zero feedback or one feedback. And rating, uh, we have the rating score and the rating date. We can also give one or no ratings to the course. Alright, this is our interface. Uh, this page is our home page. So in our homepage, we are showing local cultures from Indonesia, such as Balinese culture, uh, with its photo to make it more entertaining. Uh, our features consist of learn language. Uh, learn language, we can choose between Balinese course or Javanese course. So this is the example of Balinese course at level 1. This is the question, this is the question title, these are the options, and this is the submit button to check if uh, you are answering the question correctly or incorrectly. You can press submit. Alright, the navigation bar consists of learn language dictionary for Balinese and Japanese culture. This is the culture post that we can read about uh, culture from a certain area forum where we can write or reply threads, and this is our profile page just right here. Okay, this is the our website culture page. So our culture page consists of the greeting message, the title, uh, the user who posts the culture page, the timestamp or the date when it was posted, a picture, and the content. But I'm very sorry because uh, the image was cropped, so the content of culture is not shown in this picture. And this is our forum page. So in our forum page, we can create posts. So we can create a question or a post to discuss with other users. For example, user Jess is making a post how to use this application. So we can view posts, and this is the post that Jess wrote. How can I use this application? Posted by Jess at this timestamp, and this is the content. Hello, I'm new in this application. How can I learn local language in Indonesia? And we can press reply by uh, pressing reply, and we can write what our reply is, and this is the reply posted by Owen at this timestamp, and this is the content, and that's uh, is our content. Uh, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to present our paper. Uh, thank you and good afternoon.